Thank you for tuning back into my channel. It's your girl Anna Inspires, and I am back with another natural hair tutorial. As you can see, my hair puff getting kind of old. I've been rocking it for about a week and a half now, but I want to show you guys how I'm going to revamp it. I'm going to throw in some flat twists, give it a little moisture, and slay my edges. So stay tuned. So all of the products that I'm going to be using, I'll list down below in the description box for you. Alright, let's get started. So like I said, y'all, this is an old high puff that I've been rocking for a good little minute now. Hey y'all, so I went ahead and I've sectioned off this part. I'm just going to take a look in the mirror and I just need to clean it up. So I'm going to use a smaller comb just to make sure it's... I'm horrible, you guys, when it comes to parting my hair off. Taking a little piece out. And I'm twisting it the way that I want it to go. So you can either twist to the back of your head, if that's the way you want your twist to go, or to the front of your head. Everybody likes their flat twist to look different. But tuning in to this tutorial. I know it was lengthy. Thank y'all for working with me with the kids and everything. But this is a 2 flat twist bun in the back revamp of a week and a half old hot puff.